Aloha gang, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over DistroKid's newest tools to get you marketing your music. Let's get it. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be doing just a quick overview, like I said, of some of the new awesome tools that DistroKid packed onto their site. This is great for independent artists that don't have a giant budget or aren't working with a giant label. You can still get your music heard, you can still market your music, and you can still build a fan base. If you guys are new here, I want to welcome you. Thanks so much for joining the channel. This is the channel to grow your music and production skills. So make sure to hit that like button before we start, and also subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so I'm going to be going over some of the rad new marketing tools that DistroKid just launched and doing just a quick overview of some of my favorites and add some info to them as well. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so you're going to find all of the new tools under this goodies section right here. And you can kind of take a look around, but I'm just going to go here under this promote yourself section. And the first one I want to jump to is this promo cards. Now this is super cool because they make it really easy. I only have one release under here, so I'm going to choose that, Heat Wave, and then let's go ahead and generate promo cards. Now this is awesome because instead of having to go to services or websites like Canvas and create your own, they just have these templates that you can download and immediately start dropping on your stories. And so it's pretty much the name of the game here is just plug and play. So you can download a bunch of these and just start hitting people in your stories and just start hyping up the new release. So that one's awesome. That one's called promo cards. Absolutely love it. Okay, another really cool feature is the Spotify playlist spotlight. So DistroKid has their own playlists, and as you guys probably know, getting on certain playlists can be quite a daunting task. There's a lot of gatekeepers involved. Well, DistroKid made it super easy. So in order to get your song on the spotlight list, you come over here to get heard now, and then we're going to click on this playlist spotlight, and you can go over here to add your own track. And I would just do that right here, boom, 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 boom. And then you end up in this voting section. And then, you know, people can vote, or you can reach out to the artist yourself. And it's just a cool way to get other artists involved and get your song on the DistroKid playlist. And then you can also share the URL as well. And what's great is you can get people to vote on here and share the URL to get all your fans to vote, so you have a better chance of getting on that playlist. So another really cool feature is the lyric syncing. So as you guys know, having your lyrics all over the internet, whether it be Google or just other search engines, it's going to help you with your SEO and your ranking within the channel. So in order to do that, you come over here to enhance your music, you click on lyrics, and then we're going to go ahead and click this song right here. And then all you need to do is just upload your lyrics to this section, and then DistroKid will take care of the rest, and it's going to add it to iTunes, Instagram, Facebook, Google, all over the place. And they just handle the whole thing for you, making it super easy and super seamless. All right, another cool feature, I love this one. It's called mini videos. So we can come over here under the promote yourself section again, and you're gonna get a free short customized video to post on your social media. And this is great because this is gonna save you a bunch of time with without having to go to Fiverr and get other people to do it if you don't have your own graphic design ability, or without having to go to Canvas and all those free sites again. We can just come over here and pick the one that best fits your song. I'm just going to go ahead and pick a simple one. So I'll click on this and I'll pick the announcement out now. Got the name right here. You can trim the song, and basically let's go ahead and generate a mini video. It's processing right now. And then once this finishes, we will be able to download the video and upload it right to our Instagram immediately. And this is going to save us so much time. All right, let's go ahead and check that out now. Boom. Simple. To the point. That's perfect. Then you just download it right here, upload it, boom, done. Okay, so let's say you start getting some traction, you start getting some plays, you're using all these special features, you're getting all your fans to come over and you get your streams. Well, now how can we take those stats and reach out to other established people within the industry? Well, DistroKid added this new section right here, where it's come down here to promote yourself and come down here to upstream. And so basically what we can do is we can reach out to record labels and create opportunities using some of the stats right within DistroKid. And so yeah, let's go ahead and check this out right here. If you join and the label loves you, they'll contact you directly. There's no obligation opting into upstream, does not take any rights, royalties, or percentage from the artist, and you can leave at any time. So you can go ahead and apply. And if you're a label as well, you can apply here and start looking through new artists. And so it's just a great way for artists and musicians and labels to connect together. So I thought this was super cool, and I'm sure they're just going to keep adding to it. But a lot of times in the industry, it's sort of daunting, or it can be intimidating to reach out to labels. Where do you start? Who do you reach out to? Who's the person that I need to contact? Well, they take care of that all right here in one little area. So check that out under Promote Yourself. So many great new features brought to you by DistroKid. I'm super pumped on all the new things that they added to the site to get you connected to your fans, and not only that, but labels. Which one did you think was the coolest? Let me know in the comments down below. I touched on some of the free ones. There are also paid services that I think you guys should check out. I just did an overview of some of my favorite ones, but I encourage you to do your own exploring and check out all the great things that DistroKid has to offer. If you guys want a full breakdown of all the different tiers of DistroKid, check out this video right here. I do a full breakdown and the contrast and comparisons of each of the tiers so you can see which one is right for you. Come on in, the water's warm.